Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. Haven't done a video in a while, and today I just want to talk about a topic that I usually don't. And firstly, I'd like to say I can't even believe I'm doing this topic. Um, Secondly, I am not a doctor, not a dermatologist, not a cosmetologist. Yes, I do have 2 years training in medicine, but that's as a medical assistant. I used to work as a medical assistant for 7 years, but that does not in any way make me a doctor. And what I'm telling you cannot be understood as any practice of medicine because I am not a doctor. Now that we got that clear. All right, so um, oftentimes people ask me, Bob, how comes your skin is so clear? The truth is, I do get pimple like everybody else. As adults, you do get adult pimples also. But there's a particular thing I do that dermatologists and cosmetologists will tell you not to do, and that is I use the lowest grade of alcohol, which is 50% I see in the store, and a cotton swab, and I clean my skin, clean my hairlines all the way down, clean under my chin, my neck, around all of these areas, down the ridge of my nose, along the side here, and just as a matter of fact, if you check the side of your nose here, if you turn your thumb upside down and do like this and scrape, don't bruise yourself, scrape the corner of your nose, you'll see some stuff on it. Take a smell at it and see. It's a pungent smell. That means we secrete oils from our skin that can quickly create bacteria buildup or stuff like that. And so oftentimes that's part of why we have those pimples. Now, pimples are related to stuff maybe happening down in your sebaceous glands. Maybe they're actually hormone related. But for sure, they are connected also to the oils that's being secreted from the skin, plus the dead cells on your face, the cells that die, millions die every day on your skin, and plus the dirt that is blowing at your face as you walk through, the air, and being stuck onto your face, stuck onto the oil, and creating a kind of a muck that you can't really see there, and it's blocking, many times it's blocking the pores, and you have those build up, and then an infection occur, and then you have those little rise, those little yellow stuff pop up. They're infections, and you need to get rid of them because sometimes they look unsightly. Now, how you treat them is not my business because I'm not a doctor, and what I'm saying to you is not giving you any prescription or anything. I'm telling you how I do it. So I take the alcohol, the alcohol and the cotton swab, do the cleaning. Then right after, I pour a little bit of lotion in my hand, little tip, not a lot, a little bit of my favorite lotion, little tip. And then on the other hand, I wet the other hand. I rub them together so the water and the little lotion mix together, and then I just apply it to put back the oil on the surface that the alcohol actually stripped away, right? So it's not bruised, or the skin is not feeling traumatized or anything like that. Boy, I'm starting to sound like a cosmetologist, but no. So that's basically what I do. All right. It's not that I'm not prone to any pimple or anything like that. The reason I'm doing this little video is my daughter said I should do that because she see so many people struggle with that. She struggles with that too, and that's the method that she has come and settled with. That is creating the best results for her. Other people have told that's exactly what they do, and it works, seemed to work pretty well for them. So the whole idea is to keep the skin clean from those oils that came out, the dead cells, and the dirt that is sticking onto the oils on your skin, and just clean those away, but quickly replace a little moisture so the skin is not behaving as if it's traumatized and start, spewing out oil. Because sometimes you clean your face, if you leave it for half an hour, you'll notice your face becomes shine again because the skin is pumping out oil because it's saying that it's missing oil. So you put that little lotion on so it doesn't feel traumatized. All right. Please forgive me if I sound like a cosmetologist. I am by no means a cosmetologist. My daughter forced me. She's actually behind the camera and does not want me to video her. So, all right. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you have not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. And I don't know how you're going to take this new content. I've never done this before, and I can't believe I'm doing it. But thanks again for watching.